The Learning Journey presents Alphabot. Spend hours of fun discovering the alphabet, spelling, and more. The friendly, interactive voice, flashing LED lights, and cute facial expressions enhance the learning fun. Alphabot comes with 3 play modes. Mode 1.
Let's learn letters and their sounds. The letter B says B, as in boy. B, O, Y.
Learn all about letters and their phonetic sounds. Mode 2.
Let's practice spelling. What is the first letter in the word pie?
Find the missing letters and learn how to spell words. Mode 3.
Let's find the letter. What letter comes after the letter U?
Includes an easy clean touchpad sensor panel. Develops listening and visual skills. Great for take-along fun. The Learning Journey makes high-quality, award-winning products for your children. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe.